poisoned entrails through, toads that under cold stone, days and nights, has 31 sweltered venom sleeping got, boiled out first in the charmed pot. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Fillet of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blind worm's sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble, like a hell broth, boil and bubble. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, scale of dragon, tooth of wolf, witch's mummy moingulf, of the raven salt sea shark, root of hemlock, dark, liver of blaspheming Jew, gall of goat, and slips of yew, silvered in the moon's eclipse. Nose of Turk and Tartar's lips, finger of a birth strangled babe, ditch delivered by a trap, make the growth thick and slap. Add thereto a tiger's cauldron, for the ingredients of our cauldron. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Cool it to the baboon's blood, and the charm is firm and good. Oh, well done, I command your pains, and everyone shall share in their gains. And now about the cauldron sing, live elves and fairies in a ring, enchanting all the things you put in. By the pricking of my thumbs, something wicked is open locks, whoever knocks. Poisoned entrails through, toads that under cold stone, days and nights, has 31 sweltered venom sleeping got, boiled out first in the charmed pot. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Fillet of a fenny in the cauldron, boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blind worm's sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble, like a hell broth, boiling bubble. Double, toil and trouble, fire burn, cauldron bubble, scale of a dragon, toothful wolf, witch's mummy moingulf, of the raven salt sea shark, root of hemlock, take the dark, liver of blaspheming Jew, gall of goat, and slips of yew, silvered in the moon's eclipse, nose of Turk and Tartar's lips, finger of a birth strangled babe, ditch delivered by a trap, make the gruel thick and slab. Add thereto a tiger's cauldron for the ingredients of our cauldron. Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Cool it with a baboon's blood, then the charm is firm and good. Well done, I command your pains, and everyone shall share in their gains. And now about the cauldron sing, live elves and fairies in a ring, enchanting all the things you could. By the pricking of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. Open locks, whoever knocks.